Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A53s, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application is installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click enable in settings and tap on the switcher near the green Apple keyboard to use the app. Now just tap here to activate. Go back and here click the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll just go somewhere, for example in the Google search, and here as can you see our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.